A couple of days ago, I had a new client come into the salon. She had some issues with her hair and was searching for someone who might be able to help her to straighten them out. As you can see, what was going on is she had a bit of retouch that was going to be necessary. You can see the gray at the scalp, but mostly it was problems with the condition of the hair and the fact that the color was not really at all what she had been hoping for. The first thing we did was we went through and demineralized her hair. We removed any kind of coatings from minerals that were coating the hair, and that helps it to reflect light better and to stay healthier looking better, things of that nature. The next thing I did was to go through and discuss with her how I would do the retouch. That the retouch would be it'd be necessary because she's such a light blonde to add something into that blonde to help it take the color even better. In fact, I pointed out to her the example of cups of milk showing the very darkest cup, which has nothing but coffee or chocolate in it. So we'll call it coffee, nothing but coffee in it. That would be the darkest color you could get, the darkest PPD or black. The lightest is full of milk with just a tiny fraction of color in it, a tiny fraction of PPD, and therefore it makes it much harder for the hair to actually cover it. So what we'd want to do is we'd want to supplement that with some concentrated paraphenylene diamine to help it to take better. With that in mind, we went through and also we're looking at different things that needed to be corrected and updated, places where the highlights had not been really taken to the ends or were simply just not the right tone or not light enough. Once all of this was done, and we also proteined it and put some protein in her color, the end result is as you can see here.